Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St Thomas and we are going to look at the different sections of the Southern Coastal Highway that's under construction. Now we are on the existing main road. This was a road that was here before the highway, and the highway is going to be built along this road on certain points so you can see what's going on. We have other videos up of driving on the actual highway that's under construction, and we have other videos up of the finished section of the highway, so you can look at those to get a better idea of what's going on. But this video we're just going to drive on the existing main road through St. Thomas and look at the various sections of the highway from the main road. So this highway is going to run from Harborview to Port Antonio, and that's the actual highway. Now the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, is going to include building a bypass road for the town of Port Antonio, and that's very important because the Southern Coastal Highway is going to take you from Harborview, or basically let's say the city of Kingston, to Port Antonio, and in Port Antonio it's going to join or merge into the Northern Coastal Highway. So you can drive from Kingston on the Southern Coastal Highway to Port Antonio, and then from Port Antonio you drive to Montego Bay and then Negril on the Northern Coastal Highway. So it's going to become a major transportation route in Jamaica, but you're going to drive on a highway from all the way from Kingston to Ocho Rios to Falmouth to Montego Bay to Negril. So it's very important that you have a bypass so that when you're traveling that route you don't have to go through the town of Port Antonio. And like all the towns in Jamaica, they're very populated. All the capital towns I should say, they're populated, have a lot of traffic, and so it's very important to be able to access both highways easily and not have to go through the town. So a bypass is going to be built through Port Antonio. Now on the right is where the Southern Coastal Highway is being built, and the highway project also includes extending the road from Harborview to Bull Bay to 4 lanes. That's a part of the highway project as well. And actually they're extending a bridge on Washington Boulevard. It's like 2 lanes and they're going to extend it to 3 lanes. And that project actually falls under the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. That's, I guess, what the name they use for the funding of the project, but it includes more than building just the highway to Portland. Also, the highway from Maypen to Mandeville is being built, and that's Highway 2000, but the funding of the project is through the Southern Coastal Highway Investment Project. So it's a bit confusing, so we just want to break it down for you guys. So the investment project is where there is more than just building the Southern Coastal Highway. Alright, so on the left now is the highway. It's easier to build it this way in pieces, and then they just join up everything when they're finished. So the highway is being built on the left here, and then it's going to cross over and connect to the piece on the right. So on the right now you can see the highway under construction. So I'm assuming with the highway being free, and similarly based on what happened with the Northern Coastal Highway, that certain parts of the main road that is in existence now they won't use it again. So we'll wait to see what's happening. So that's a highway on the right. And it crosses over the existing road, and then that's the highway on the left again. And this is a section of the highway from the Yallow's Bridge to Harborview. And we have videos up of driving on the actual highway, because if we had the highway that's on the left of this road goes all the way back to Bull Bay, and we have videos up of driving on that leg of the highway. It's still under construction, but the roadway is there and we drove on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.